morning, everyone. This is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have been showing you projects I made for the virtual retreat for Country Craft Creations. It is called the Christmas Cookie Exchange Online Virtual Retreat, and it is exactly what that says, an online virtual retreat. These are the projects I've already shown you. If you haven't seen these in detail, go look at the playlist and check it out. And there's also moving this stuff away. There is also an opening to show what I got in my retreat box, which in itself is fabulous. So you need to check that out. Well, actually, let me go with sort of in order of what I made. So one of the projects was from Michelle Allen, and she designed this Christmas organizing box, and there are a lot of different things to go in it, which I have not done yet. I've just made the box, but look inside. Isn't that fabulous? I am going to use this to put teas and coffees in. So she had some really great cards, and I will make the cards later, but right now I don't have time before Christmas. But I just love this paper too. This was Santa Claus Lane from Echo Park. So it's a good sized box, and it's nice and sturdy. So anyhow, there is that. Before that though, we worked on Kim Rannell's box, which is an oven. I mean, isn't that just stinking adorable? There's the top. The burners have snowflakes. There are these beautiful sparkly glittery buttons for like the knobs. And this paper is absolutely gorgeous. This is Country Craft Creations. I think it's called Sugar and Spice. But, and it's a totally useful box. The lid comes off. Oh yeah, I made a little cookie sheet of cookies to sit on the stove. You could put cookies in here. Wouldn't that be apropos? All little handles or feet come on the box. I mean, I just think that's just adorable. So that is a fabulous project, and this was fun and easy. I mean, you're making basically 3 boxes that are open and putting it all together, so it was fun. And then the last project that I worked on was this one. This is Jen Dubell's Christmas folio using Once Upon a Christmas, another paper exclusive to Country Craft Creations. And let me take you on a walkthrough through this. So I added some flowers to the front. I've had them in my stash for a while, and they were bright red, but I took an alcohol marker and, let's move that, and colored them to make them a little more burgundy to go along with the paper. Jen showed how to use your sewing machine and stitch around the outside of the folio. Now, I don't own a sewing machine, but I do have a stitch die. I mean, it's just a little 1/8 inch die. I think it's 8 by 6 or 6 inches long by 1/8 of an inch. And I use that to add the detail onto this folio. I haven't tried it yet, and I thought it would be a good time to do it. I inked it a little bit just so it would be a little more pronounced. So anyhow, isn't that paper gorgeous? So it does have a tie closure, and it'll open like this. Here's the front page. It's a pocket. This page, I put in a diagonal pocket. That wasn't what was in the instructions, but I put this bird up here, and I just felt like it needed something to counterbalance that. And then this will open up. This is a little folder, and that holds this pocket closed, and she shows everything. I mean, how to cut the paper to make it fit nicely on here. So the inside is like that, and there's a pocket, and there is a photo mat, and again that stays closed because of this. There are these beautiful tags. I keep needing I keep forgetting to put little strings on them with the collection. And so we used that. And I decorated this a little differently than was shown. I mean, we all do. We all decorate differently. But anyhow, that holds the tags. And then that will open up. And then here's another pocket. And I made a couple of photo mats with the leftover paper to go in the pocket. My goal when I'm doing these projects is to use all the paper. I don't want to save any, as beautiful as it is. And I did actually have this piece left over. But, I mean, I try to use up all the paper, so if I can take some big pieces and make photo mats, I will. And then this pocket, I put a magnetic closure on it. I just like that for a waterfall. It's got this pretty little house print on it. And then, of course, that little print is just on the bottom ½ inch of the page to allow to put photographs on the page. And that stays closed like that. So that is pretty much it for this little folio. The back side looks like that. So those are the projects that I've done. Now all of these projects were from Friday, December 2nd. Yeah, I'm a little behind. I think it's Tuesday now. And I haven't really even started Saturday's projects, and there's a couple of fabulous ones. Oh, the good thing is one of the projects was mine, so I've already done that. So, but let me show you, or I will show you when I finish a couple more projects. I might take you all through the rest of the retreat in the next video. Also, what we had done on Friday, there was a Zoom call, which was a lot of fun. And there was lots of prize drawings. And a couple of live videos from the owners of Country Craft Creations and organizers of the retreat, just letting you know what was going on. And that was a lot of fun as well. I mean, it's just nice to get together via Zoom with other crafters, see what they're doing, hear about their day. You know, if you're stuck inside, I know it snowed in different parts of the country, then it's nice to communicate with people and just have a little conversation, especially if you are, as I said, stuck and don't get to see that many people, especially this time of year. All right, that's what I have for you today. Don't forget to look at the other episodes in this playlist about the virtual retreat. And I'd really appreciate it if you have not subscribed to subscribe to my channel. I mean, it's all fun stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day.